With Ukraine's drone army destroying large amount of Russian equipment, we usually see this from the FPV's point of view, or a Ukrainian drone surveillance. But here a Russian soldier was filming when they got attacked and their howitzer got destroyed. With little warning beforehand and only the soldiers trying to shoot them down with their machine guns, there is little chance of stopping the attack, showing the threat FPV drones project onto Russian position and equipment, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.